Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the iPhone down. This prevents electrical shorts and accidental inputs. Once off, remove any case so the tray is unobstructed. Next, locate the SIM tray, typically on the right edge for modern models. Orientation tells you which way the card faces. Use the Apple-supplied eject tool or a 0.5 mm paperclip. Insert it straight into the tiny hole, applying steady pressure until the tray clicks out. This first step gets you direct access to the SIM without risk. Once the tray is ejected, pull it straight out. Do not wiggle or tilt because that can bend the tray. You then lift the Apple SIM from the tray by the card edges. Avoid touching the gold contacts to keep oils and static away. If you're replacing the SIM, note its orientation so reinstallation is easy. Inspect both the SIM and the tray for debris or corrosion. If present, clear with compressed air or a soft brush. And make sure there's no visible damage. To finish, place the Apple SIM into the tray with the gold contacts facing down and the cut corner aligned. This prevents misalignment. Slide the tray back into the phone until it seats flush. Once done, power the device on and make sure it recognizes the SIM in settings cellular. If it doesn't, make sure to reboot and reseat the SIM. If problems persist, try another known good SIM or contact carrier. This isolates whether the issue is the card, tray, or phone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.